Hello guys, I'm Abbas Dari, and we have here a 2000 Lincoln LS. This vehicle has a problem with no starting. They send it to different shops and they said it's a PCM issue because it cuts the fuel for the fuel pump or something like that, and then they got it here. I checked the wiring and they all look good, and there is a power to the fuel pump, but there is no pressure, zero pressure. What you need to check first, if there is no power to the fuel pump, let's see, you have a fuse box in the trunk. Open that and you will find a 15 blue right here, the blue one. That's number 17 fuse. That's for the fuel pump. And you have the diode. You need to check it for current, which is it goes in one direction. If it goes both directions, that means this diode is bad. This is for the fuel pump, and this relay for the fuel pump. You can try, at least you can try switch it with the front under the hood, the fuse box. There is similar relays. You can change that too. Let me open the door, and then you need to check the fuel pump itself. After you check those, the fuse and the relay and the diode, you need to come here and you are looking at the wiring right here. I don't know if you can see it. The green, it's a green with orange, green and orange, and the other one is red and black. You need to check them. One of them is power and the other one is ground. Let me try to. Yep. One of them is power and the other one is ground. The big two thick wires. The other ones are for the fuel gauge. And if you have power here, you should have pressure. And we replaced the fuel pump, which is we got it from Advanced Auto Parts, and it didn't work. So the shop assumed they changed the fuel pump, and it should be good. They didn't test it, and they assumed it was the PCM, and that's them. They took this out, and I just start from the zero. For every mechanic, he has to start from the zero. You don't need to follow other shops. So basically I tested, there is no pressure in here. At least you will have a pressure. If you press this one, you will have pressure, and if not, you have to go to electrical diagrams, which is the two wires that I showed you. Before that, you gotta check the fuse and the relay and the diode for the fuel pump. That's cranking, but no starting, no running, and basically that's it. And make sure you change the fuel filter when you change those fuel pumps, because the fuel filter is very, very dirty. I mean, black junks from one side, and the other side is, I mean, I can't even, wow, it's very dirty. So make sure you change that. And the fuel filter is in the driver's side, under right here. You remove this wheel wall and you will find it directly here, right there. And you can watch my other video for changing that fuel filter and you should be good. Alright, thank you.